What's up, YouTube? So, Real Mr. Wong here. Today we're going to be taking out the seats on my G35 coupe, and we're going to try to vacuum the floors or something. I don't know. It's my first video. I don't know what to really record, so we're going to do that. Okay, let's get to it. This is the G35. Real Mr. Wong. Follow me on Instagram. It's alright, got some paint chips or whatever. I already put the quick release in. Didn't make a video for that, but it was pretty easy. Shift knob. Yeah. These are the tools you'll be needing. Ratchet, flathead screwdriver, and I think it's a 13 socket. Easy job. Alright, so here we are in the passenger side. First things first. Oh, it's already back to the max. That thing and that thing are covering the first two bolts in the front. So let's see if I can just tear it off. Pop it up. Boom, bam. Let me make sure. Damn, it's not even a 13. I might have to go get a 14. That's crazy. Alright. I went to get a 14. So scratch that size, 13. Real size is a 14, you dig? We on shit. Well, now for this side, same thing. Snappy snap, poopy pop. 14, you dig? I'm pretty sure the rest of them are 14. Next, move it up so you can get to the back covers. Dang, my hands ashy, boy. What you mean? Alright, and for the rears, that's the cover, and that's the cover of the bolts in the back. This thing, same thing. Tear it off. Eat. Boom, bam. 2 14 bolts. Let me make sure. Yup. I thought it was a 13 because some YouTube dude I was watching, he said 13. He motherfucking lied. Alright, so after you get all 4 bolts off, from the rears and the fronts, you're gonna wanna move the seat back a little bit. And then when you lift it, there's gonna be a cable right there. You're gonna have to disconnect all those plugs. And then, yeah, we'll see how this goes. With your flathead, do what you do. Let's see. So for my car, it still had zip ties on it that had to be cut to come off. One was right there, the other one was right there. Other than that, easy peasy. And basically just pull it out. Got the seat out, got the vacuum ready. There it is. Damn, this shit motherfucking dirty as hell, boy. Let's see. So I just finished vacuum. Doesn't look that great, but I don't really care. I only wanted to make this video so I have something to post on YouTube. And so I know how to take out the seat, actually, matter of fact. That's how it looks. It's alright, whatever. Could have done better, but it's black interior. So, fuck it. If you like this tutorial, like the video on the bottom down low. Subscribe to my channel, whatever the YouTubers usually say, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, look, maybe I'll make more videos while I build this G. See ya.